Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joy. Today I have something interesting to share with you. This season is winter season. So many people are suffering from cold, from catarrh, from cough. So I have ingredients for you that will work perfectly for you. So if you know you fall into that category, this ingredient is perfectly for you. So if you want to know what this ingredient will be, keep watching. If you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, with your family. Also turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So let's jump into it. So guys, the first ingredient will be ginger. Ginger is good for cough and flu, and it will help you sweat out the toxin in your body, which is helpful when you have a cold or flu. Because of the vitamin C, potassium, magnesium in ginger, which will help you feel better afterwards. So the second ingredient will be honey. Honey has vitamin B6, which will help to reduce sore throat, making it effective and natural cough relief. So third ingredient will be lemon. Lemon has vitamin C, and lemon is very good for cough and flu, which will help to eliminate those cough and flu. It will make you sweat out the toxin also in your body. So we are going to be mixing all the ingredients together now. So guys, I will be peeling my ginger, then I will grate it. So I will use the small part to grate it. So I have finished grating my ginger. So the next thing will be lemon. So I'll cut my lemon. I'll squeeze the water inside my ginger. After squeezing the water, so you don't throw it away, you just cut those skin inside the ginger. Fry it inside a bowl like it did. So the next thing I will be doing, I have hot water here, so I'm just gonna mix hot water together. So it is hot water. So you're gonna stir it together. So this is my glass cup, so I'm gonna filter. So I'm gonna add my honey together. So I'll add 2 teaspoons of honey. So you stir it together until the honey. So I will add the second spoon. So you stir it. So this tea will reduce flu, and if you are cold, you drink this mixture. It's gonna relieve you from cold, flu. This is super easy to make and it's really effective. So that is the tea for cold and flu. So this thing is really effective. So guys, this is the tea which we just finished making. This tea will help you to reduce those symptoms: cough, catarrh, flu. So if you take this tea, you take it 2 times a day. You take morning before breakfast, you take before you go to bed, and this tea is really perfect. It will work perfectly for you. So if you can able to make this tea, those cough, catarrh, flu, everything, you will not see them anymore. You keep on doing it for like 2-3 days, you will start noticing results, and those you will not be coughing again. You will not have running nose again. You will not feel cold again. Just try this. This is perfectly. So I'm going to try mine now. Alright. This tea, it is not sour. It it is sweet because of the honey. So don't be scared that this thing will be sour. No, it's not bitter. No, it is sweet because of the honey. Alright, let me take mine. So it's good. So try this. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you know this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Also share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, with your family. If you are new, also do so. And God bless you. Thank you. Bye.